Every student has this big question in front of them after they pass their board examination. What next? And with pressure from every side, we finally decide on a course and join a college. Then comes the question of will it be as colorful and beautiful as movies portray them to be? When I first joined St. Aloysius College, I was scared. I thought I might not make new friends or the teachers might be too strict. But things turned out right.
So, being asked to speak about the English department of St. Aloysius College, Kerala, the first thing that comes to my mind is the amazing batch that I was blessed with. My batchmates and our teachers were a very efficient combination.
Our college campus is really beautiful and it is well known for its greenery. It just feeds you positivity whenever you enter our campus.
I've had a memorable time here. Some of my dearest experiences have been hanging out with my friends at our favorite spot on our charming campus, as well as participating in various events organized by the department. I've really enjoyed using our college's excellent library, which was something I'd been looking forward to before I'd enrolled.
We study in a beautiful campus with such wonderful faculties, and I am forever grateful for the opportunities I got from my college.
Aloysius was an ocean of opportunities for me, and English department played a vital role for providing these opportunities.
If there is something I would like to convey about our college and our English department is that if you guys want a supportive team behind you which will mentor you to your future, our English department, our college, not only our department, is the best.
I had a very good time being student of St. Aloysius College under English department. To talk about my good experience, there are many, but the most memorable one is that of the Writers' Day, which we celebrated every month.
In our department, we have the Writers' Day every month in which we choose an author and we present skits and arrange quizzes and other games about that author and his or her works.
During those days, we used to assemble in one classroom and we used to enact plays, recite poems, decorate walls with writers, and conduct literary quizzes.
So planning all of those things is actually great fun for us, and we enjoy it immensely every month. And we also wait for the other batches to present their author, and it's our internal little celebration, our internal little competition, and we enjoy those things very much.
I used to enjoy these activities very much, and I think these activities help me understand literature better, and it also helped me in clearing entrance exams.
When I was given this opportunity, I thought long and hard about what to talk about in this video. Events kept flashing across my mind, like the very first day on campus, Arts Day, Onam celebration, Election Day, etc. Selecting one day was a task in itself. That's when it struck me. Our Christmas celebration that year was extra special. The whole department joined together to celebrate the day. We came in early and decorated the classrooms. Then our seniors surprised us with impromptu games, and our teachers also tagged along. We played silly games like bursting balloons standing on one leg and throwing a ball into a basket blindfolded. Everyone participated, and we were particularly happy because our own teachers were the ones who were extra keen on winning. I mean, that's what college life is all about, isn't it? It's not about the marks you score. Rather, it's about these little moments in life you'll never forget.
The things you did together, the programs you conducted, the celebrations you conducted together, and they all are always part of one of the sweetest memories in my mind, like the seminars where we worked as volunteers, like all teachers, students, everyone just trying their best for just one big goal, trying to get everything right. It's really exciting to be a part of that. And
we have our department day every year, and during the department day we have a lot of festivities like dance, music, and then other cultural programs. And I remember this very special department day, which happened in my second year of the course, and in which I was allowed to actually recite a poem that was penned by me. So I had a lot of encouragement from my teachers, and it was a very special moment for me.
The department made every children to polish their talents. Like teachers understood the students' abilities and their talents, and they really gave many opportunities to polish them. I have got many opportunities with the help of my teachers. I got golden opportunity to interview a writer, a celebrity, and a singer. Moreover, I had got many stages for anchoring, which I love the most. And also, I was able to participate in many dance competitions, flash mob competition, literature quizzes, face painting, and many such competitions with the help of our department teachers.
The events celebrated at college, especially Onam and Christmas, in my first year, our seniors put on such wonderful events for us. They were the perfect chance for everyone to let their hair down. The teachers and the students, we were all brought together by the games, food, and competition.
We had our Kalolsavams, celebration, competitions, and all these events bring joy to your heart.
And the celebrations like Onam, Christmas, all these celebrations happening, like seeing each other happy, making each other happy. It's just like really cool. And one memory which sticks out to me is the one as part of Environment Day. We once sat together, we all three classes sat together, and we decided to make some environment friendly pens and similar products.
Among all these games, I learned one thing, and it was that what we had as a department was special. We cared for each other, and the genuine love overflowed that particular day.
So the moment I decided that I'm going to choose literature as my stream, and when I entered the world, it was kind of scary to me. Because to be honest, it's a new stream. Like you are venturing deep into something which you have just only tasted all these years. And entering into the world, I didn't know like who to ask help. Like I was really scared of the teachers. It's college, it's not like school. But as I came to know of, as I understood them better, as I talked to them, as I interacted with them, as I communicated my needs, I really understood that the teachers are really helpful. They are there to guide you. They understand how much scary it can be, and they are always ready to guide you through it.
English department, from HOD to RD teachers, were really super supportive and friendly. Teachers understood each and every student, their abilities, their talents, and helped them to polish them.
They are very friendly, and they used to encourage us to take part in different competitions and activities. And in the classroom, we used to have very interactive lectures with many discussions, and we used to watch a lot of movies based on literary works.
Our teachers are really the best. They are really supportive, caring, and are kind of like our best friends.
I'm really thankful to our brilliant faculty who are as friendly as they are knowledgeable, as well as to my fellow students, without whom this experience would not have been as delightful as it had been.
It's July 2021, and we are still in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Even during the pandemic year, we were rendered strong support by our teachers. We still had events and games and quizzes in our department, and the festivities never ended actually. Even though the games and quizzes were online, we were constantly motivated and encouraged to participate in them, and many of them were organized by our department and some by other colleges as well.
I started my college through this virtual platform. But this type of learning is not that worse because we had a lot of programs that helped us a lot to improve ourselves. Especially our department organizes competitions that helps us to improve our skills in English.
The department and its faculty have been vital for the students' experience of their college lives, and they've done this by conducting all manners of activities and events online to create and maintain bonds and interactions within the department.
Also, we have a mentor-mentee section once in a month, which is really helpful in making a very good relationship with our mentors. Our department provides us with a lot of activities through which we can help us to improve. Our teachers are very positive and friendly that we can approach them at any time for any need.
On the whole, being in the English department of St. Aloysius College is like being in a family. It's totally warm and it's a very beautiful feeling.
So I'm so excited to study in our college. So let us pray and stand together for a better future. Let everything be fine as soon as possible. Thank you.